Hi friends! Welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Christmas cake is a rich fruit cake eaten on Christmas Day. Traditionally, fruits and nuts are soaked in brandy, whiskey, and rum. Today we are sharing a rich Christmas cake recipe without alcohol. Let's begin by soaking the chopped nuts and fruits in orange juice and honey. You can also use apple juice, pineapple juice, and cranberry juice. Mix well. Cover and soak for 25 days. Here is a tip. Baking this cake at last minute, no worries. Boil this mixture until they reduce in half. You will get the exact same flavor. Next, we are going to make some caramel sauce. Heat a pan. Add sugar, let the sugar melt on low flame. Turn off the flame and carefully add cream and mix well. Stir in butter and allow to cool completely. Combine all dry ingredients well. To a mixing bowl, add oil, prepared caramel sauce, and mix on low speed. Add in the soaked fruits and nut mixture and mix well. Mix all the dry ingredients with wet ingredients and make a smooth batter. Don't overmix the batter. Pour batter into a prepared baking tin and tap it once. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for 30 minutes. Remove and cool completely. Slice and enjoy this delicious, flavorful, eggless Christmas cake with your family and friends. What do elves learn in school? The alphabet. Once again, wishing you all happy holidays.
Merry Christmas!
If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. If you like our channel, please
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!